Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find background play on background play option on any video on your account on Rednote. So the first thing, enter the application, and here you can choose any video you want, for example this one, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it, and next you will find this background play. As you see, click on it, and here it will be turned on. Just click on it and turn on background play. So that's it. That's how to turn it on. You can also turn it off if you want. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.